कुंज बिहारी जय राम माधव कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय गिरिवरधारी यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजन यशोदनंदन ब्रज जनरंजन यमुना तीरावनचारी यमुना तीर यमुना तीरावनचारी यमुना तीरावनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण जय प्रभुपदा जय प्रभुपदा जय प्रभुपदा जय प्रभुपदा विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्रजकाचार्य स्तोत्र डिवाइन ग्रेस ऐसी भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी श्री प्रभुपाद की जय स्कॉन विपरीत भक्त प्रभुपाद की जय स्कंद वृंद की जय ग्रंथराज श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय निताय गोप्रेमानंदे हरि। So we are going to continue to read from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 2, Chapter 1, and today's verse is 37. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ब्रह्माननं क्षत्रभुजो महात्मा। ब्रह्माननं क्षत्रभुजो महात्मा। विदुरुरङ्घ्रिश्रितकृष्णवर्णः। विदुरुरङ्घ्रिश्रितकृष्णवर्णः। नानाविधाभिजगणोपनो नानाविधाभिजगणोपपन्नो द्रव्यात्मका कर्मवितानयोगः। द्रव्यात्मका कर्मवितानयोगः। ब्रह्माननं क्षत्रभुजो महात्मा। विदुरुरङ्घ्रिश्रितकृष्णवर्णः। नानाविधाभिजगणोपपन्नो द्रव्यात्मका कर्मवितानयोगः। ब्रह्माननं क्षत्रभुजो महात्मा। विदुरुरङ्घ्रिश्रितकृष्णवर्णः। नानाविधाभिजगणोपपन्नो द्रव्यात्मका कर्मवितानयोगः। ब्रह्माननं क्षत्रभुजो महात्मा। विदुरुरङ्घ्रिश्रितकृष्णवर्णः। नानाविधाभिजगणोपपन्नो द्रव्यात्मका कृष्णवितानयोगः। ब्रह्माननं क्षत्रभुजो महात्मा। विदुरुरङ्घ्रिश्रितकृष्णवर्णः। नानाविधाभिजगणोपपन्नो द्रव्यात्मका कर्मवितानयोगः। ब्रह्माननं क्षत्रभुजो महात्मा। विदुरुरङ्घ्रिश्रितकृष्णवर्णः। नानाविधाभिजगणोपपन्नो द्रव्यात्मका कर्मवितानयोगः। Brahma, the Brahmanas, Ananam, the face, Shatra, the Kshatriyas, Bhujaha, the arms, Mahatma, the Virat Purusha, Ved, the Vaishyas, Uruhu, the thighs, Angri Shrita, under the protection of his feet, Krishna Varna, the Shudras, Nana, various, Abhida, by names, Abhijagana, the demigod, Upapanna, being overtaken, Dravya Atmaka, with visible goods, Karma, activities, Vitana Yoga, performances of sacrifice. Translation and purport by Srila Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. The Virat Purusha's face is the Brahmanas. His arms are the Kshatriyas. His thighs are the Vaishyas, and the Shudras are under the protection of his feet. All the worshipable demigods are also overtaken by him, and it is the duty of everyone to perform sacrifices with visible goods to appease the Lord. तो आज का जो सुखदेव गोस्वामी बोल रहे हैं परीक्षित महाराज को, तो देख सकते हैं हम लोग कि कॉमनली जैसे ह्यूमन सोसाइटी कंसीडर करते हैं। अभी दूसरा अगले पहले वाले श्लोकों में क्रिएशन का जब वर्णन हुआ ना, तो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द माउंटेन्स, द रिवर्स, ऑल दीज थिंग्स. So today we are going to talk about the human creation of Krishna. तो human creation क्या बताया गया है? When there is a priestly class है ना, तो brahmanas. So who are the brahmanas? The Virat Purusha's face is the brahmanas. So the way to look at it is, when you look at a brahmana, you respect. Why you respect the brahmana? It's just like Krishna's face. It's like you come here in the temple, you take darshan of the deities. So you say Govindam Adi Purusham. So you look at Krishna's beautiful face, how the turban is done, how Krishna's eyes are lotus and like that. So when you see the brahmanas, they are like that. When you're seeing the Vaishnavas, you're seeing the devotees, you must know you're seeing the face of the Lord. So one point also comes here now. When all the brahmanas are going to be like seeing the face of Krishna, so just like you're seeing the face of Krishna, Krishna's face is so beautifully decorated. The smile, the lotus eye, the beautiful nose, the beautiful smile on Krishna's face. So that means the brahmana should be decorated with qualities like that. The brahmana should be like, Hare Krishna. The brahmana should be, Hare Krishna. The brahmana should almost said it, and the brahmana should not always be like Lord Nrsingadev, cheer far karna hai. So you can see how, the other day I was speaking at a program in Lambasa, I was saying, the crux of everything, the essence of everything is to make the mind Krishna conscious. Gaule, love of Krishna, but what is it that is required to get Krishna Prem is the state of the mind. The philosophy applies. The state of being you are in the time of leaving the body. Antakale cha mam evam. Yam yam vapi, whatever you are thinking. Ananayas chinto yanto mam. Krishna is saying, always remembering. So it's all dealing with the mind. So actually the whole problem in this world is just simply a mental problem. The state of mind, how you want to think about anything. Just like Prabhupada gives an example, you have a glass of water here, and the glass is half with water. So one person can say the glass is half full. That's positivity. You are focusing on fullness. It's filled. Another person will say the glass is empty, half empty. So you're looking at the negativity. You want to look at the bad things. So it just comes to my mind when Krishna Prabhupada Sukadeva Goswami is describing. So then we must think, how do we apply this? If the brahmanas are Krishna's face, that means when you see the brahmanas, it's just like you're taking darshan of Krishna. And then the brahmana should think, oh, we are called as Krishna's face. So that means we should be beautifully ornamented with brahmana qualities, compassion, tolerance, blissfulness. Actually, one of the other things is also that the brahmana should always be anointed with blissfulness. They should be happy in Krishna consciousness. Bhakti Charan Maharaj says, if you are not happy and everyone else sees you, they will say, Krishna consciousness, everyone says, it's Brahma Bhuta Prasanna Atma, Krishna consciousness, Prasanna Atma, I come to the temple, I don't see one Prasanna Atma. Or, sometimes you go to places, there is even no Atma. Bhut Atma. So, nice point. Virat Purusha's face is that the Brahmanas. His arms are the Kshatriyas. So all those people who are working, doing something, they are Kshatriyas. The arms are Kshatriyas. The arm is, when you look at the military or the police, you know they are Kshatriyas. So the policeman and the army should think that we are Krishna. We are supposed to be Krishna's arms. Therefore we are supposed to be giving protection. Both ways you can see. Then his thighs are the Vaishyas. So the mercantile class is described as Krishna's thighs, and the Shudras are under the protection of his feet. Beautiful. जो Shudras है, जब ऐसा नहीं सोचा कि Shudras means they are low class people, you may say no, you are not a Brahmana, you are not. But see, Krishna is saying they are my feet. और फिर feet के कितना importance है. नंबर 1 कलयुग में जनता है, प्रभुपाद बोले कि भागवतम में बोले कलो शूद्र संभवा, एवरीवन इज, भागवतम इज मेंट फॉर हु. कभी कभी आदमी बोले कि कृष्ण भक्ति इज जस्ट बिकॉज यू कांट स्टडी द वेदर्स एंड डू ऑल दिस थिंग्स, क्योंकि भागवतम में लिखा है भागवतम इज मेंट फॉर द लेबर क्लास, द लेस इंटेलिजेंट एंड लाइक दैट ना. बट कलयुग इज दैट. तो इसमें महत्व जो है, ग्रेटनेस किसका है. अभी दुनिया में भी हम लोग देखते हैं, देयर सो मेनी पीपल डूइंग सोशल वर्क, दे फीडिंग द पुअर, दे डूइंग क्या कहते हैं, अलग अलग सोशल वर्क करते हैं. डजंट द ऑर्डिनरी पर्सन्स हार्ट गोज आउट टू देम कि लोग कोई की हेल्प करें. यू फील सो गुड, you feel so good. There's children who are of the age to go to school but they cannot afford education, so people have done schools, people are sponsoring scholarships, all this. It's so good. So you can see here when it says the Bhagavatam is meant for the less intelligent, and actually in a way that is why Srimad Bhagavatam is called the fifth Veda. Bhagavatam is actually the most compassionate version of the Vedas. The Vedas से कोई बोलेगा कि आप लोग बहुत इंटेलिजेंट नहीं है तभी वेदस नहीं पढ़ता है. द प्रॉब्लम इज हम लोग इंटेलिजेंट नहीं है, बट कृष्णा इज एक्सटेंडेड हिज हैंड टू अस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ भागवतम. और अगर तुम इंटेलिजेंट है, तुम वेदस पढ़ सकता है, देन व्हाट इज द कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस दैट यू आर एबल टू टच पीपल्स लाइफ विद. So the need of the hour is not the one Veda. The need of the hour is not the 4 Vedas, because that is very highly vocabularized, and that very high language, literature language में text है, तब इसे apply नहीं हुई, context में work नहीं करी. And that's why ये context में work करे है Bhagavatam, and that is why Bhagavatam is called the 5th Veda. That is the need, that is the important. तो यहाँ पे जब बोले कि तो भगवान भी दिखाए कि ऑल दिस वे, अगर कलयुग में शूद्रस वेर नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट, देन व्हाई वुड इवन कृष्ण हैड टू कम एज चैतन्य महाप्रभु. जस्ट लेट देम बी, फिनिश. अभी कोई हम लोग बोलेगा कि हम लोग केस, तो वुड वी वांट टू डू समथिंग अबाउट देम. ओके, इवन डॉक्टर्स लोग जब एकदम गोन केस हो जाए तो बोले आई थिंक अब इसके घरे ले जाओ, सेवा करो. देयर इज नो मोर होप. लेकिन फॉर अस चैतन्य कृष्ण इज स्टिल नॉट गिवन अप. जो कृष्ण प्रेम दे के वास्ते सतयुग में ध्यान करना पड़े, त्रेता में यज्ञ करना पड़े, द्वापर में स्ट्रिक्ट मंदिर पूजा करना पड़े, कृष्ण वही ला कृष्ण प्रेम लेके आएंगे. बोले हम लोग जब गाते गाते नाचेगा, नगर आदि ग्राम कृष्ण कीर्तन करेगा, यू गेट कृष्ण प्रेम. द सेम डायमंड कृष्ण इज गिवन फॉर दिस. सो दैट मीन्स कृष्ण स्टिल केयर्स. सो गुड पॉइंट है कि ऐसे नहीं है कि कोई नीच है, कोई लवा क्लास है. एक्चुअली कृष्णा इंपॉर्टेंस दे के वास्ते कृष्णा एक्सप्रेस करके विराट रूप में जो लवा क्लास है, जो शूद्र है, वो हमारे फीट के शल्टा में. और हम लोग तो सबको भगवान के शल्टा के वास्ते ही आता है. देन अगेन हम लोग भगवान के सबको रिमेम्बर करता होगा ना, एक भगवान के बेबी कृष्णा पिक्चर है, पीपल के पत्ता में भगवान उस पर है, एंड कृष्णा हैज पुट हिज फुट टोज इन हिज माउथ ना. तो आचार्य लोग एक्सप्लेन करें, कृष्ण बोले व्हाट इज देयर इन माय फीट दैट एवरीवन वांट्स टू taste the nectar of my lotus feet. And then again here Krishna is saying the Shudras are, so if Krishna is, sucking his own foot, तो of course, Krishna is, हम लोग नहीं सो करे, हम लोग के पैर मेला है, कृष्णा के नहीं मेला है ना, Krishna is absolute, but still get a important message that भगवान के वास्ते everyone is part and parcel of Krishna. Brahmanas are face, Kshatriyas are arms, Vaishyas are thighs, and Shudras are in his shelter of his lotus feet. All the worshipable demigods are also overtaken by him. Krishna is also Adi Deva. All the demigods, even though they are doing the different universal affairs, but Krishna is even taken over by them. तो सबसे बड़ा टेक ओवर कर लिया गया. तो and it is the duty of everyone to perform sacrifices with feasible goods. Feasible goods to appease the Lord. तभी से यहाँ पे देखो, ये भी वेरी क्लियर है. विराट रूप अप्रोच से भी करेगा तो जितना देवी देवता है उन के ऊपर भी भगवान है. तो अगर हम लोग के कोई भी रकम के पूजा करेंगे तो डू थिंग्स विद टू अपीज द लॉर्ड. तो प्रभुपाद जी क्या कहते हैं? Monotheism is practically suggested here. Offering sacrifices to many demigods under different names is mentioned in the Vedic literatures. But the suggestion made in this verse is that all those varieties of demigods are included in the form of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. They are only the parts and parcels of the original whole. सबसे पहला बात प्रभुपाद इस भागवत के वर्स के मेन मैसेज है कि एवरीथिंग इज इंक्लूडेड इन कृष्णा. और यहाँ पे खास करके बात किया गया है सब देवी देवता के. कॉमन समाज में आदमी यही बोले कि हरे कृष्ण डिवोटीज और इस्कॉन डिवोटीज, दे डोंट वर्शिप द डेमिगॉड्स, दे डोंट वर्शिप द देवी देवता को मानते नहीं है. कभी कभी जो थोड़ा कम समझ का होते तो बोले कि हम लोग देवी देवता को भगवान भी नहीं बोलते, हम लोग देवी देवता को डेमी गॉड बोलते हैं. तो कोई लोग समझते हैं डेमी गॉड मतलब डेड गॉड, तो लोग देवी देवता के मरा माने. नहीं, हमके भागवत में नहीं लिखा है और प्रभुपाद ने लिखी से. कभी कभी शायद कोई के समझ कमती हुई तो मिस रिप्रेजेंट कर दे, बट दैट्स नॉट द मैसेज ऑफ प्रभुपाद, दैट्स नॉट द मैसेज ऑफ कृष्णा, दैट्स नॉट द मैसेज ऑफ भागवत. कितना इससे सिंपल इंग्लिश में नहीं सके लिखा जाए हम लोग, क्योंकि ऑफरिंग सेक्रीफाइसेस टू मेनी डेमिगॉड्स अंडर डिफरेंट नेम्स इज मेंशन इन द वैदिक लिटरेचर. सो दैट्स प्रभुपाद एक्नॉलेज करे कि वेदस में है अलग अलग देवी देवता की पूजा करो. बट द सजेशन मेड इन दिस वर्स of the Bhagavatam is that all varieties of demigods are included in the form of the Supreme Lord. So Krishna में सब included है. They are only parts and parcels of the original whole. Similarly, the divisions of the orders of human society, namely Brahmanas, intelligent class, Kshatriyas, the administrators, Vaishyas, the mercantile community, and the Shudras, the labor class, are all included in the body of the Supreme. As such, therefore, sacrifice by every one of them in terms of pleasing the Supreme by feasible goods is recommended. तभी से यहाँ पे बोले कि एवरीथिंग जब कृष्णा पे है तो जब सेक्रीफाइस हम लोग करता है कि प्लीज करे के वास्ते, तो एवरीथिंग शुड बी ऑफर्ड इन सेक्रीफाइस टू प्लीज द सुप्रीम. दैट्स द इजी वे, दैट्स द इजी वे टू डू. तो जैसे समटाइम्स मैं कभी सोचता हूँ ना, जैसे टू थिंग्स आता है ना, आई वाज थिंकिंग अबाउट इट दिस मॉर्निंग. अगर हम लोग साइंटिफिकली सोचेंगे तो वी प्रिपेयर फूड, राइट. फूड हम लोग अलग अलग प्रिपेयर करता है. द फूड इज देयर, वी ईट द फूड टू डिराइव सर्टेन न्यूट्रिएंट्स दैट्स नीडेड फॉर द बॉडी. ठीक है, तो कार्ब्स आता है, प्रोटीन्स आता है, विटामिन्स आता है. ठीक है, तो अभी हम लोग इनके अवस्था क्या है, वी आर नॉट एबल टू सी द न्यूट्रिएंट्स. एट द मोमेंट वी आर स्टक विद सेंजुअल एंजॉयमेंट. तो सेंजुअल एंजॉयमेंट में कौन सी है, कढ़ी का टेस्ट अलग है, दाल का टेस्ट अलग है, इसका टेस्ट अलग है ना, अलग अलग आइटम्स का, पनीर का टेस्ट अलग है. सो वी वांट टू टेस्ट द डिफरेंट टेस्ट. So therefore we prepare so many different things to get the taste. This example is, I'm not promoting कौन सी बोले निराकार ब्रह्मवाद नहीं प्रमोट करता, बट माय पॉइंट इज आई एम ट्राइंग टू डिराइव अनदर पॉइंट. द पॉइंट फ्रॉम माय पर्सपेक्टिव इज कि अभी हम लोग सेंजुअल लेवल पे, आदमी जब सेंजुअल लेवल पे बिहेव करे है तो क्या है, तो संसार में हम लोग यही करता है, ये अलग पूजा है, ये अलग पूजा, ये अलग पूजा, ये सबके, तो जैसे अलग अलग भोजन के अलग अलग टेस्ट है, तो हम लोगों को टेस्ट लोग अलग अलग खोजता है. बट वो सब टेस्ट जो है, द फूड इज नॉट फॉर द टेस्ट, द फूड इज फॉर द न्यूट्रिएंट्स दैट्स कमिंग इन. हम देखते हैं हम लोग वैदिक सिस्टम में एक आइटम है, उसके बोला जाए खिचड़ी. दिस इज नॉट खिचड़ी एज इन हॉच पॉच रिलीजियस सिस्टम, बट खिचड़ी एज इन एन आइटम जहाँ पे carbs from rice and then other things from dal, protein from dal, and then all the vitamins and other thing, from all the multi veggies. हम लोग मतलब ट्रेडिशनली हम हिंदुस्तानी खाते हैं दाल और चावल के खिचड़ी बने ना, लेकिन प्रभु को बंगाली खिचड़ी, चैतन्य महाप्रभु के परंपरा में जो खिचड़ी आता है, इट्स अ dal and rice and with all the vegetables that you can access. You go to Mayapur, you get khichdi, there's going to be dalo in the khichdi, there's going to be aloo in the khichdi, there's going to be kaddu in the khichdi, there's going to be bhindi in the khichdi, there's going to be bean in the khichdi, there's going to be bhaji in the khichdi, everything, cucumbers in the khichdi, you even put green papayas in the khichdi, all this, you put everything there. And then it becomes a nutritious meal. And generally you see when people are sometimes very, very sick, that's the kind of items you put it and boil it into water. What happens? All the nutrients are derived from it. And then when somebody cannot eat anything, cannot even swallow anything, then you feed them this soup. Then the nutrient goes in. So this is exactly this example I'm trying to apply to the fact that everything that you want to do, all the variegatedness of life, in terms of Karam Kand and Gyan Kand and Dhyan Kand, everything is included in the Bhakti Kand. So therefore, when you worship Krishna, everything is being worshipped. Although variegatedness is a means to enjoy life, but the variegatedness, so therefore when you are preparing food, you do a 108 course meal. Can you do that 108 course meal in the shortest of your time? But how about if you did khichdi? Without any reduction of the nutrients. The potency will not be reduced. But it takes less time to achieve greater potency. So that's why you chant Hare Krishna, you achieve the results of everything. You worship Krishna, you achieve the results of everything. So sometimes, that's why sadhus go into the life of simplicity. The idea is, all the sensual things that we do in life should reduce. But somebody will then argue, no, it is prasadam, therefore we are doing service to Krishna, therefore we make very. That's fine. That's fine. But then what should be your limit? How will you say what should be the limit? You cannot be making so much prasadam that you don't chant your rounds. You can't be making so much prasadam that you can't read the Bhagavatam. You can't be making so much prasadam that Prabhupada said, I was hearing Bhakti Vikas Swami Maharaj. And not for everyone, but at least for all the retired people, they can get adjusting into it. The Bhakti Vikas Maharaj said, Prabhupada said, we should try and give at least 4 hours in the morning to Krishna only. At least. So you wake up at 4 o'clock, you get ready, 4:30 Mangalarti, do your japa, Bhagavatam class, and by 8 o'clock, the essence of devotional service is all done. Then when you go and run in your material activities, you are already not touching the ground. You are Jesus Christ, you are not walking on the ground anyway. You are not getting conditioned by anything anyway. So, just these thoughts are coming. And when these kinds of thoughts will come after you become 50 years old and after. Even earlier it won't come. Earlier it won't come, I'm telling you. Yeah, these things. So it started coming. It's coming a week before, 2 weeks before. But the point is that these are the beauty of Srila Prabhupada. What Prabhupada has given, it works. Prabhupada has given it. So here everything, all the worship you can. So Krishna is saying, basically Prabhupada is saying here, all the demigods are within Krishna, and all the Varna and ashrams, and Krishna is saying it's all in the body of Krishna. As such, sacrifice by every one of them in terms of pleasing the Supreme by visible goods is recommended. Generally, the sacrifice is offered with clarified butter and grains, but the progress of time, human society has produced varieties of goods by transforming materials supplied by God's material nature. Human society therefore must learn to offer sacrifice not only with clarified butter, but also with the manufactured goods in the propagation of the glory, Lord's glory, and that will bring about perfection in human society. So this is second canto Bhagavatam. Srila Prabhupada was himself giving the purport, and Srila Prabhupada, once the book was printed, Prabhupada, before the book was printed, Prabhupada would proofread it, and then Prabhupada would approve it, then the book would be printed. Why I am describing this? Because here in this purport, this portion, Prabhupada had made it to be put in italics. That means it gives special focus to that line. कोई चीज़ पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है, अंग्रेजी में से लिखा जाता है, सीधा लिखा जाता है, लेकिन कोई चीज़ पे ज़्यादा ध्यान लिखा है तो उसको आइटैलिक्स कर दिया. तो दिस अ पॉइंट वी वांट टू टॉक अबाउट. तो प्रभुपाद जी इसको आइटैलिक्स में लिया. क्या आइटैलिक्स में किया? प्रभुपाद जी बोला, ह्यूमन सोसाइटी देयरफॉर, यहाँ से शुरू होता है, मस्ट लर्न टू ऑफर सैक्रिफाइसेस not only with clarified butter, but also with other manufactured goods in the propagation of the Lord's glory, and that will bring about perfection in human society. प्रभु जी बोले है कि भगवान सब चीज सिंपल दिस है, लेकिन समाज क्या किया है? समाज ये अलग अलग चीज मैन्युफैक्चर किया ना. हम लोग बोलता है सिविलाइजेशन, एडवांसमेंट. तो ये सब चीज करे में अगर हम लोग इसके भगवान के सेवा में नहीं लगाया, तब तो हम लोग जो गोल है उससे रास्ता से बाहर चल दिया. Just like the other day I went to Lambasa, so I went for Mangalarti. So when you go to Batnikama, there comes a place where there's two roads. Then, the person who was taking, I have been there after many years, so the person who was taking me said, which one to go? There was another devotee from the place there, from the town. So he said, I think it's the one that goes on the top. So then we went. And we kept going up the hill and there was nothing to be seen. So where we come? Then we said, no, this is wrong place. Then you have to come back and then go on the other road. And then of course we came to the temple. So the point I'm trying to express by this example is that human society has done advancement. Okay? We all have become educated. All of us have become educated. It's advancement. We are better. Even I see my children, little children, they speak English. At my age, I was in high school, I didn't know those words. This is the world advancement. This is advancement of the world. But this is again just like, if we don't make them Krishna conscious, means they have just taken the wrong, it goes up, it seems advancement, but when you will reach end, there is no temple there. There is no Krishna there. You are only going to hellish conditions. You are only going to go, actually all the material advancement, it only takes you to bewilderment. It's a very nice example. I went up that road, we kept going up the hill, so it was going higher and higher and higher. So we felt, getting closer to Krishna. But we ended up only with jungle. So it's all material bewilderment. That's what's happening. So the idea is, Prabhupada is saying here that everything that is manufactured, chalo, log manne wale nahi hai, ye sab karenge. Material world advancement karega, manufacture karega, ऐसे भी. लेकिन अगर इस सब चीज वस्तु को लेकर हम भगवान की सेवा में लगाएंगे, then that is perfection of human society. तो प्रभुपाद जी एक मॉर्निंग वॉक में बोल रहे थे ना, प्रभुपाद जी मॉर्निंग वॉक कर रहे थे, सुंदर पार्क था. तो प्रभुपाद जी बोला, देखो संसार के लोग कैसे इतना सुंदर बनाते हैं इसको ना, लेकिन ये भगवान के ऑफरिंग के लिए नहीं है. It's for the people to go and breathe fresh air and all this. Just create feeling for the good people. लेकिन प्रभुपाद जी बोले, हम लोग यहाँ डिवोटीज लोग आके चेंट करता है, तो they have created the facility. Let us also use this facility, but we are using it for Krishna. डिवोटी जाके मॉर्निंग वॉक करता है, तो वातावरण में चैंट करता है. The beautiful park is even beautified further because of sound vibration. And the park has become useful because the devotees have spent their time in meditation. Because by chanting, devotees are walking in the park and chanting. What is happening to the devotees? The devotees, when they are chanting, they are becoming closer to Krishna. So this facility has helped a living entity come closer to Krishna. Can you see how you can dovetail everything into Krishna consciousness? Just like sometimes you see videos overseas, devotees are sitting in the park, everyone is having a picnic and the devotees are sitting on mats in one corner and chanting Hare Krishna, Kirtan. So the park provides the opportunity Then all the people present there, because it was a nice place, devotees went there, they chanted. Then all the others, they may be doing their picnic or whatever, but the transcendental sound vibration. Sometimes I think, devotees should go on Sundays and do that in the Mysore Park. But of course, not a wild kirtan that everyone chases you away. Do something melodious that people become attracted. So that's the point. The intelligent class of men or brahmanas may give direction for such sacrifices in consultation with the previous acharyas. See, don't just pick the Vedas and say, this is the yajna to be done. Just pick the Vedas and say, this is meditation to be done. You pick that, okay, meditation has to be done. No doubt about it. But then consult the acharyas. What is the context of Kali Yuga? How do we meditate in Kali Yuga? We don't go to the Himalayas, up the mountains. हम लोग सब बनने वाले आदमी सब 3 sisters पे चढ़ जाओ, सुबह के आदमी सब या माउंट थम पे चल दो. ऐसे नहीं meditation होगा. हम लोग के meditation by consulting the acharyas is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself said, we go on the streets chanting Krishna's name. That is meditation. जो devotee लोग हरिनाम करते हैं वो meditation है. जो डिवोटी चैतन्य महाप्रभु के पद पे जो डिवोटी हरिनाम करता है, जो टाउन में हरिनाम करता है, कीर्तन में टेंपल में कीर्तन करता है या स्ट्रीट पे हरिनाम करता है, जो फूड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होता है, जो बुक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होता है, दिस इज द मेडिटेशन. जस्ट लाइक राराम गोज बुक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन और other devotees, Padma Mataji goes, everyone goes, Guru Seva does book distribution in the hospital. What are you doing? Why do you get inspired to do book distribution? Because you have understood that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. You have understood that Krishna is the Supreme Benefactor. So when all these things is running in your mind, isn't that meditation? जो साधु जाके हिमालय में बैठ के भगवान को पकड़ना चाहता है, he wants to understand that Krishna is the Supreme, Krishna is the Supreme. जो समझ गया तो फिर वही भगवान कृष्ण को ही ध्यान करना चाहता है. That in the Kali Yuga of context is you are distributing Prabhupada's books, you are thinking of Krishna. You are doing Harinam, you are thinking of Krishna. You are doing Prasad distribution, you are thinking of Krishna. So तबे से बहुत important है the direction for such sacrifices in consultation with the previous acharyas. That is why हम लोगों के समझे पड़ी कि we will not be able to do anything better than Prabhupada. We just have to follow what the acharya has done in consultation with Prabhupada. That's the process to be done. Very simple. तो बोला कि intelligent previous acharya, the administrators may give all facilities to perform such sacrifices. जो administrators जो है उनको ये फैसिलिटी देना चाहिए. एक्चुअली मैं सब जगह पे सरकार को कुछ, जैसे मैं देखता हूँ इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स आप फॉलो करो तो पीपल ऑपोजिशन क्रिटिसाइजेस, ओ सरकार मोदी गवर्नमेंट राम मंदिर बनवा रहा है, ये करना. एक्चुअली मैं एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के काम ये चीज़ करो. यू मस्ट सपोर्ट रिलीजियसली. राजा के काम है ऐसे. एक्चुअली मैं सब जगह पे सरकार में मैं कहीं सोचता फिजियन गवर्नमेंट शुड हैव अ बजट फॉर religious support, be it to churches, be it to mosques, be it to Hindu societies or whatever. But there should be the way government finances get blessed is by engaging in spreading of. And we can see, because ये काम नहीं हुआ है दुनिया भर में, ये काम नहीं हुआ है, the dunya has to deal with HIV, the dunya has to deal with drug, the dunya has to deal with bad character, murders, serial killers and all these things, because that education system. Another way the government can invest into spirituality is, having a compulsory subject matter of studying scriptures. See, that's again a spiritual input into the society. There are wonderful ways that, Krishna Acharyas can guide us how we can do it. Na? तो बोला कि produce, तो जब ऐसे करेगा, the Vaishya class of merchant who produce such goods may offer them for sacrifice. तो जैसे मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर सपोर्ट करता है, तो यू सपोर्ट द फार्मर्स बिकॉज द प्रोड्यूस हैज टू बी, लेट्स प्रोड्यूस मोर वेजिटेरियन फूड देन डू कैटल फार्मिंग. देयर शुड बी प्रोडक्शन ऑफ वेजिटेबल फार्मिंग. तो दैट्स हाउ द गवर्नमेंट शुड डायरेक्ट थिंग्स. दैट्स व्हाट भागवतम इज सेइंग कि राजा के काम ऐसे डायरेक्शन करो. एंड शूद्र क्लास में ऑफर द मैनुअल लेबर फॉर सक्सेसफुल टर्मिनेशन ऑफ सच सेक्रीफाइस. तो जो लेबर क्लास है बिकॉज वो खुद से लीड नहीं कर पाएगा, तो वो क्या करेगा, वो इस यज्ञ में सहयोग देगा. Thus, by cooperation of all classes of human beings, the sacrifice recommended in this age, namely the sacrifice of congregational chanting of the holy name of the Lord, may be executed for common welfare of all people of the world. तो सबसे Simple way of executing everything, offering everything to Krishna is by congregational chanting. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. So, any questions or comments? Tomorrow we'll have Ratna read the Bhagavatam. I'm telling this because your father is online watching, so he will know that tomorrow you'll give the class. So, any questions or comments? Any additions? Jaram Prabhu, Mahaprasad. Mahaprasad reads Bhagavatam every day. सीता नवमी के बारे में संजय कैसे बताएगा? अभी नहीं बताएगा. I think the other day I spoke in Savu Savu about Sita ji. I think the main essence of the portion that I was reading, the main essence of one of the teachings of Sita Devi was, Jaram Prabhu was telling me the other day, that one time Sita Devi, she became very worried, So Ram asked what happened. She said to Ram that I'm very worried that you are, when you went to exile, जब भगवान को वनवास मिला, तो भगवान का सब राजभूषण सब कुछ छोड़ दिया, सब चीज खलास हो गया. तो बोले कि सब चीज छोड़ के वनवास लिया है, लेकिन I'm very worried you are still carrying your bow and arrow. And because you are in exile, your form is that of an ascetic, of a sadhu. I'm afraid by association of your bow and arrow, you will become violent even in the stage of death. Of course, we all understand. Ram is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He came to establish Dharma. That is one point. But Acharya say, that one of the teachings Sita Mata is giving, which is of great essence, and it's meaningful, that Ram and Sita are discussing this. And in exile, after having given up everything. So that means it's a very, very critical point. And the point they are discussing is association is very, very critical in. So, अगर कोई बोले आज सीता रानी के appearance day है, I might decorate Sita Devi, I might offer her lots of food offering. But if you want to learn something from Sita Devi, then learn this lesson that association is a very, very important factor in determining how we will behave. So she said, राम को बोला कि धनुष बाण नहीं छोड़ा है, धनुष बाण लेके चल रहे हो, तो मुझे डर है कि ये धनुष बाण के एसोसिएशन के प्रभाव से भले तुम साधु का वेश धारण कर लिया है, you will end up killing. तो ऑफ कोर्स राम के केस में तो धर्म स्थापना करने के वास्ते किलिंग रहा, बट we learn from कि कभी कभी या तो हम लोग बोलेगा कि बट आदमी उल्टा भी समझी ना, आदमी उल्टा समझे नहीं, बोले राम कैरी करीस रहा तो हम भी ना. तो हनुमान जी बोले राम के सर्विस में जाके लंका जलाया तीसरा. बट याद करना 99.9% ऑफ द टाइम्स हम लोग हनुमान बनेगा, लेकिन हम लंका नहीं जलाएगा, साधु संग में हम लोग अपने जर जाएगा. बिकॉज हम लोग रॉन्गली अप्लाई कर देगा कि आई हैव टू बी हनुमान एंड देयरफॉर हनुमान आई मस्ट फाइट. बट समटाइम्स वी डोंट रियलाइज वी मे बी फाइटिंग विद वैष्णव. एंड वैष्णव फाइट मीन्स वैष्णव अपराध. जैसे कभी कोई सोचे हम लोग की so हम सीनियर डिवोटी है, therefore I can. But I always say this, say Shobana is sitting here. Shobana may have come with 99.9% baggage of devotional service from last life. Whatever happened, she may have missed it. That's why she did not go back home last life. So she's here today. और एक रकम से खाली ये नहीं है, but it comes to reality as well. She's somebody probably has been working here in the temple gift shop for so many years. और प्रभुपाद बोले कोई स्टिक हो जाए तो सरप्राइज होगी, कैसे रुक गए, ऐसे जाए को ऐसे तो सब भग जाए, रुक कैसे गए. तो that brings to my mind that it could be something like 99% from your previous baggage, and therefore you only need to finish your 0.1%, and then you're pure devotee going back home, back to God. But I will see that, oh no, I'm an initiated devotee, I'm a senior devotee, and you may not, you are not initiated, and therefore you are not a Vaishnava. That's not the way to say. तो तबे से एसोसिएशन हम लोग कॉपी नहीं कर पाएगा, हनुमान के हम लोग कॉपी नहीं कर पाएगा, या तो राम के हम लोग कॉपी नहीं कर पाएगा कि. बट तबे से सीता जी हम लोग के खाली एग्जांपल देवे कि यू हैव टू बी माइंडफुल ऑफ योर एसोसिएशन. राम किलिंग इज नॉट रॉन्ग, रावण हैड टू बी किल्ड, राम हैज टू किल, बट हम लोग के लेवल पे हम लोग खाली इतने लेसन टेक करो उसमें कि एसोसिएशन इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट. एंड देन ऑल्सो अनदर पॉइंट दैट आचार्य से इज सीता के वनवास नहीं हुआ, सीता का वनवास नहीं हुआ, बट वेर एवर राम गो सीता विल गो. तो जहां पर कृष्ण होंगे वहां पे कृष्ण के डिवोटीज होंगे. सो वेर एवर यू फाइंड कृष्ण, you should be there. That's all. No, we can't say, no, you be here, you don't be there, you don't go there, you come here, like that. Wherever the devotee finds, wherever a living entity finds Krishna, you can be in that association. Be in the association that can give you Krishna. And who is supposed to decide that for you? You yourself. भगवान में स्वतंत्रता आपको दिया है. मैं नहीं चूज कर सकता हूं कि आप यहां रहो, आप यहां रहो. मैं आपको बता सकता हूं कि यहां रहने से ये होगा, यहां रहने से ये होगा. But choice is yours. So you know, I was thinking, this is powerful. मैं सोच रहा था, आप पूछ दिया नहीं तो otherwise I would develop this theme in evening talk. But I'm pulled it out before, But anyway, there's more things too. Then we can discuss. Okay. तो ग्रंथ राज श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय.